Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I just woke up for the second time, maybe third. I'm just eating some roasted buns with bread, krydderboller. Drinking some chocolate milk. Jason always takes a tax every time I make some food. He always takes a little bit. Can I have some, please? Nå. Nu skal vi se de tre piger. De er seje.
Ja.
Ja. Kom, Jason.
Min telefon er
Ja. Kom. Du skal sidde her, Jason. Der kommer biler her. Sæt dig der.
Ja.
Og så går jeg i gang med at luge ud. Hvis jeg allerede startet her lidt i forvejen, så gør jeg sådan her. Ja. Så fjerner vi alle planterne.
Ja.
Jeg skal bruge 2 hænder, så jeg må hellere lige stoppe med at filme.
Ja.
Check it out, I've done it. Looks pretty good, right? I'm pretty proud of myself. I've done that all the way around the property now. Removed all the weeds and stuff. Pas på.
Jeg er inde igen.
Ja.
Og hvor kunne du det?
Check it out. I've removed all the weeds here. All the way around the property, all the way up here. Yeah. Now I just gotta clear this up a bit. And I think I'm about done. I've done some cleaning inside too. In the container down here. I've done organizing and cleaning up as well. In here. It's a bit of a mess again. There's just so many tools. But yeah. Then Mike, he's done some clearing up in here. Check it out. Now you can actually walk around in here and store stuff to the left and the right and all the way back here as well. We also moved that metal stuff in here, that big stuff. Må jeg lige komme forbi? No, I think I'm just gonna go relax, take a break, maybe get something to eat. I deserve it. Guys, I keep forgetting to film these days. I had some rye bread as well. Always gotta eat some rye bread for lunch. And yeah, this is some bacon, chicken dressing kind of thing. Bacon, chicken, egg salad. We got some egg salad. It's not egg salad, but it's kind of like it without the eggs. I got all these buttered. I'm using some black magic over here. Let's get some tea brewing. Just chilling out, cleaning up a little here and there. Check it out. Dinner is served. You don't see the sauce, but there's a lot of it. Let's go. I retreated into my tent with a cup of chamomile with milk in there as well. Today I cleaned up the bathroom and I removed the final of the weeds in front of the house, in between the cracks of the tiles. And then we did the final organization in the container and in the garage. So we're basically done now. And tomorrow we're gonna be fixing up the bikes. Jason is going home to his mom, and I guess we're moving on from there. I think Kiki's gonna stay here too and just study from here. Let us travel a bit. Let's see what happens. You guys know me. I cannot stop research when it comes to this electrical setup. I'm obsessed. And so I spent some more time today and figured out I could make the system so much safer if I just bought a few more things for like 200 krona. It's like 30 bucks or so. I mean, I already ordered all the important stuff. It's gonna work. It's just I wanna do a bit of a better job with safety features. I mean, it's got rudimentary safety right now, but I wanna make it perfect, you know? And yeah, just another 200 krona. So basically, I've just been researching getting the proper, perfect, ideal stuff. I'm gonna have this taken care of too by the eye doctor when I wake up. Or maybe I'm not going to sleep. I don't know. It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning right now. Just been hanging with Stony and Jonas, our newest member, and Dion in voice chat. And yeah, right now I'm just heating up my tent. And yeah, right now I'm just heating up my tent with a Trangia, preparing to get into the sleeping bag. Man, I love this trick, heating up the tent. It's so convenient. It might actually make it bearable in the winter, albeit expensive, right? But bearable. I'm not gonna burn it all the time, just like whenever you get inside the tent and you wanna take your clothes off, get in the sleeping bag. It's really nice. But yeah, I think, honestly, guys, I think this is good night for now. Like today was a pretty calm day. I just cleaned the bathroom, fixed some small things that we hadn't fixed, and then tomorrow we can fix our bicycles. And yeah, I gotta order those parts as well. I don't know. Gotta start making some money because I need to send money to Portugal so I can have my tools shipped over here, and that needs to be pretty fast. I also need money for internet. I'm about to run out of internet in a couple of days. That's 200 as well. Yeah, I need to get some money together, man. But I'll worry about that tomorrow. First and foremost, let's get to the eye doctor tomorrow. Get this taken care of. I even got a little bit on the other side. You can't see, but yeah, I want that taken care of, and yeah, then we'll just take the next issue and the next one. But I'm gonna head back to Stony. He's the last one left in voice. I'm gonna hang with him for a little bit. Good night, guys.